Torrential slide value equivalent to 298.09 rands a coin. The present cost range, 289.46, 311.57. The earlier day close, 301.08. The change was 2.99. 0.99%. Opposite rates, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 8. Cost 309 rands. High 331. Low 287. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. Walk 9. Cost 306 rands. High 327. Low 285. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10. Cost 297 rands. High 318. Low 276. Torrential slide figure on Monday. Walk 13. Cost 283 rands. High 303. Low 263. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 14. Cost 277 rands. High 296. Low 258. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost 287 rands. High 307. Low 267. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost 278 rands. High 297. Low 259. Torrential slide figure on Friday. Walk 17. Cost 269 rands. High 288. Low 250. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20. Cost 277 rands. High 296. Low 258. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost 272 rands. High 291. Low 253. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost 253 rands. High 271. Low 235. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost 245 rands. High 262. Low 228. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk 24. Cost 235 rands. High 251. Low 219. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday. Walk 27. Cost 242 rands. High 259. Low 225. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost 257 rands. High 275. Low 239. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost 256 rands. High 274. Low 238. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost 259 rands. High 277. Low 241. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday. Walk 31. Cost 268 rands. High 287. Low 249. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, April 3. Cost 258 rands. High 276. Low 240. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 4. Cost 284 rands. High 304. Low 264. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5. Cost 294 rands. High 315. Low 273. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 6. Cost 298 rands. High 319. Low 277. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 313 rands. Exorbitant cost 331, while low cost 219. Found the middle value of cost 283. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 268. Change for spring 14.4%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 268 rands. Exorbitant cost 319, while low cost 222. Found the middle value of cost 262. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 239. Change for April 10.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 239 rands. Excessive cost 239. While low cost 203. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 225. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 218. change for May 8.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 218 rands, excessive cost 271, while low cost 218. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 240. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 253. Change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 253 rands, excessive cost 253, while low cost 198. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 229. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 213. Change for July 15.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 213 rands, excessive cost 213, while low cost 166. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 193. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 179. Change for August 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at 179 rands, excessive cost 217, while low cost 179. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 195. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 203. Change for September 13.4%. Torrential slide figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 203 rands, excessive cost 208. While low cost 180. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 196. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 194. Change for October 4.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 194 rands, excessive cost 194. While low cost 152. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 176. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 163. Change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 163 rands, excessive cost 202, while low cost 163. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 179. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 189. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 189 rands, excessive cost 189, while low cost 148. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 171. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 159. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide figure for February 2024. Before all else cost at 159 rands, excessive cost 159, while low cost 125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 144. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 134. Change for February 15.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 134 rands, excessive cost 134, while low cost 105. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 100.